Data is an essential business component, with organizations using many methods to collect their data. However, raw data is only meaningful with proper interpretation and analysis. That's where the work of a data analyst is crucial, because data is often used to inform decisions that can significantly impact an organization's success. Data analysts are essential to business. They help organizations make sense of the vast amount of collected data. In this video, you will explore the role of a data analyst, the flow of data in an organization, and how an analyst achieves data insights that inform decisions. You'll also learn about the importance of data analysis in modern organizations and the vital role of a data analyst. Data analysts help organizations make sense of the data they collect, turning it into insights that inform decisions. Let's explore the responsibilities of a data analyst and discover how they achieve data insights. Imagine you work for an online retail company. Every day, your company collects data on customer purchases, website traffic, and social media engagement. However, the data is not organized, which makes it difficult to analyze. The inability to interpret the data means your company fails to identify opportunities to improve customer experience, increase sales, and stay ahead of the competition. This is why a data analyst is needed. The data analyst is responsible for collecting, organizing, and analyzing the data to generate insights that inform business decisions. For example, the data analyst may identify trends in customer behavior that could inform marketing campaigns or website design. They may also identify areas where the company can cut costs or improve efficiency. Strategic thinking, awareness of impact, and understanding of context are crucial skills for a data analyst to succeed in their role. Here's why each skill is important. Strategic thinking helps data analysts prioritize tasks, allocate resources efficiently, and make data-driven decisions that contribute to long-term success. By considering both short-term and long-term implications, data analysts can ensure their work has a meaningful impact on the organization. Being aware of the potential impact of their analysis is critical for data analysts to ensure they communicate their findings responsibly and ethically. This involves understanding the consequences of data-driven recommendations, considering potential biases, and ensuring data privacy and security. Awareness of impact also helps data analysts advocate for data-driven decision-making and fosters a culture of evidence-based strategy within the organization. Data analysts need to have a deep understanding of the context in which they are working, including the industry, market trends, and the organization's goals and challenges. This knowledge allows them to tailor their analysis to the specific needs of the business and provide actionable insights. Data analysts use various tools and techniques to collect and analyze data. These include programming languages like R and Python. R is used specifically for data analysis, while Python is a general-purpose programming language that can be used for a wide range of applications, including statistical analysis. Data visualization tools like Microsoft Power BI and databases like SQL Server. Data analysts are expected to be proficient in these tools and technologies and to possess excellent analytical skills. A data analyst collects data from many sources, including customer, sales, financial, and operational data. Departments within an organization, such as marketing, sales, finance, and operations, provide this data. The data is then processed, cleaned, and transformed into a usable format for analysis. This process is known as data wrangling. Once the data is wrangled, it is loaded into a data warehouse or data lake, where data analysts can access and analyze it. The data is organized into tables or datasets, each containing a specific data type. Data analysts then use this data to generate insights that inform business decisions. Data analysts play a critical role in our data-driven world. They help organizations make sense of the large amounts of collected data, turning it into insights that inform decisions. Using their skills, data analysts help organizations identify growth opportunities, improve operations, and gain competitive advantage.